Data is an abstract concept, and we tend to use metaphors to be able to think about it. One of those metaphors is the data landscape, but what do we mean by that? I think it's kind of like a cityscape that we see here. The buildings in the city would be the equivalent of data stores. We have a layout of data stores in our data landscape, and each data store is addressable. I think that's very important. Another thing is that the data stores are a bit of a mix. Some are old, some are new. Maybe the old ones were built to different standards. And different data stores serve different functions. And between the data stores, we have routes, just like we have streets and roads in a city. Who should care about the data landscape? I think anyone thinking at the enterprise level, and that, of course, ought to include data architects. Data architects should be focused on the deliberate building out of the data landscape. Unfortunately, there is a tendency for people to be only concerned about projects, and then we have organic growth in the data landscape. And just as cities that grow organically tend to be less well organized, so it is with data landscapes. So it really is important to have the enterprise level view, not a set of project level views, because otherwise we're going to suffer from those effects of organic growth over time. A final point is that the data landscape should be known. As it's built out, a map of it should be continuously updated. There should be no need for discovery. And on the other hand, we do need discovery in the real world. It's kind of unfortunate, I think, that in some ways IT is rewarded for institutional amnesia because it doesn't do this. But there we are, and we do employ expensive tools and legions of analysts to go and discover and map out at a point in time the data landscape. And to me, that's one of the saddest ways in which our metaphor eventually fails.